First time eating spaghetti. Doing awesome with Mommy's hair in there too. Oh, I can't find it. Awesome. That's great. Well, it's a form of spaghetti.
He's just putting it on his face.
Well, it's hard to get. Here, honey. Here, sweetheart. There, baby boy.
Is that spaghetti or boogers?
Where?
Coming out of his nose.
That'd be boogers. Well, snot, more so.
Yum, yum, yum.
Fun to play with and fun to eat. Push it closer to him. You love spaghetti, don't you? Yeah. It's good. Spaghetti face. Good. Look at your hands. They're a mess. There you go.
Dad. Dad, dad. Dad, dad. Say dad. Dad.
Dad, dad, dad.
There you go. Good boy.
Dad, dad, dad. Dad, 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 dad. Dad, 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 dad.
Tell your mom, not dad. Don't look at me and say dad. Spaghetti good? Spaghetti not good? You stinky. Woohoo!
Dad, dad.
This video is almost 3 minutes long already.
Dad, dad.
So when it like end the video, he does something else cute.
Dad, 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 dad. Dad, dad, dad.
Yeah, I gotta end this video. It's like retarded.